Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just got home. Today is Saturday and it was really busy in the store today because it's weekend. Everyone is shopping. So I just got home and I decided to do a quick vlog. Again, here we go again, quick vlog. And then it ended up a long vlog. So I bought this because I really want to try the nicer facial makeup remover facial cleansing wipe. So because I use the wipes that I get from BoxyCharm, but I'm almost finished it, so I want to try something different that it's help my skin a little bit better. So I tried this 40 acne fighting oil facial wipes, and this is new yes to tomatoes clear skin. So this is what's look like, guys, the facial wipes. So this is the thing that I bought before I go home from work, and so I decided to do home decor haul that we got. What is that, like Wednesday, Thursday, my day off, Thursday. So Thursday, so we went to the small store that really close by my house. It's like 12 minutes walk, really close. So before we went there before, and then I realized that I need those stool chair that I'm gonna use for filming. So we go back to that stores. The plan is I need to go back to that store to buy the stool chair that I need to use for filming for when I do a sit down videos, because the chair that the folding plastic chair that I use is like squeaky. It gives those weird noise. So, and we went there to that store. I saw those cute chair and I forgot to buy it, and we decided to go back and grab those chair. I'll show you later what type of chair is this. It's really cute and just a small folding chair that I can use for a sit down video. Oh, my throat is itchy. I'm still sick. Oh, and then so we went there. I got these little cute fake small pink plants. So this is really cute. This is $5.99. So really cute one. I want to put it on the wall, the decorative wall shelf, because I do have it in the corner. So I'm trying to put it there, but I still need to fix the picture frame, because this is a little bit taller. The picture frame is like that. So it's blocking the flowers. So next is this cute fake green plants. Really cute. The small fake plants. And it is $4.99. 99 cents for this cute little fake plants. Green one. And also the last one is this really cute. I like this one. This is my favorite. It's pink. Everything is pink. It's my favorite. So this is the little tall pink fake plants. I don't know, like blossom, cherry blossom, is it? Okay, it's a cherry blossom, fake cherry blossom, and it is $9.99. Okay, the last one is the folding chair. It's really cute. It's like little tiny, perfect to my butt to use it for filming. For example, I'm doing a sit down video. So this is the folding chair that I got. It has a fabulous print on the back, and that's what it's look like all the way to the bottom. So really cute folding chair, and that is $12.99. Okay, thanks for hanging out for a few minutes. Like and subscribe, share my videos, and thank you so much for watching.